I graduated with Mike, that crazy person.
High school?
Yeah, in NorCam.
Okay, tell me about Mike.
Well, he was just a little bad when he was in high school, but I tell you, he was fun.
Was he?
He was fun. I can't remember everything, but no, he's a good guy.
Tell me about the bad shit. Why was he a bad shit?
Oh, you know, he liked to party, man. I mean, I party, but I think he wrote the book on partying. I don't know.
What?
You didn't hear that from me.
Do you know his brothers?
I don't know his brothers, no.
No?
I just know Mike. Just from reconnecting since graduation.
Where are you guys from now?
We're from Quesnel.
You're Quesnel now?
Yeah.
So what would Mike do? Like he was out, like, was he into cars back then or no?
Oh, I know he was into cars. He had to be into cars. Yeah. But I just don't know all the details. But yeah, he was out partying and probably into cars.
Did he have longer hair back then too?
His hair wasn't like that. No, he looked like a real geek. I got to tell you that. You got to see the yearbook.
I heard he was a geek.
He was a geek. Yeah, he's still a geek, but he's got the dreadlocks now.
He's a car geek.
He's a fun geek. Yeah.
Come on, Bev.
He's following me.
Bev, she knew you in high school, Mike.
Yes. I can actually show you. Would you like to see her grad picture?
Yes.
Yes.
You look like
Hang
a
on.
geek.
Wait a sec.
You look like a geek.
Just wait. Oh, the rights. Hang on. I'll show you. Hang on. Wait a sec.
Smile, Michael. Stop talking.
Oh my God.
Here, let's go look at our grad pictures.
You got it?
Oh, yeah. Come on. Come on.
Tell us the details about how he partied and where he partied.
Yes, I want to know about Mike's party, what he was like in high school.
Party animal.
Did he read a lot? What did he see him at the library, or was he?
You played football, I think, didn't you?
I never made the football.
Oh, basketball.
Basketball.
Yeah.
Rugby, track and field.
You played rugby?
Finding out all
Deb's, all the people she with, they're all the football team, right?
those football players, man.
Doc, remember Lurkey? Mike Lurkey, Cop, Rick Eckel, Cop, Chuck E. Cheese Bowl, Cop. They were all Cop.
Yeah,
What? Mike, have you been cleaning?
it looks better here than on TV.
NorCam.
Oh, here we go.
Oh, here it is. Oh, see, I got a different year. I think I got our grad here. You got it. Yeah, you got the same one. It's
Yeah, reprint.
Yeah,
Reprint.
Hang on, Bev.
Fuchs.
F, Rick. Yeah.
I don't want to say that last.
Well, we did in high school.
Don't say it. That's probably horrible.
Fuchs.
Heavy on the H. He's still
It's like,
Oh, okay.
Fuchs, yes.
Yeah.
Where are we here? Hang on, wait a sec. Grade 11's grade 12. Hang on, wait a sec. Grade 12.
No color back then?
No, it's all black and white. Oh, it was so cool when, who was the chemistry teacher?
Oh, hell, I can't remember.
Because he got up and he showed me I'd signed his yearbook and something about kicking him in the ass or something. It was just hilarious. And I didn't remember, like I wrote something.
Did your signature
Grads.
look the same?
Hang on.
There's a write up.
Here we go. Here we go. Oh, hang on.
He doesn't know exactly.
Janice Bridget, Pat
long
Chapman,
hair.
DeBartolo, right? Bev Fuchs,
Yeah, there she is. Yeah.
right there,
Which one?
right there,
Oh, there you go.
right. See?
Yeah.
1975.
Oh, your last name is Fuchs.
Yes,
That
yes.
was my maiden name way back in high school.
And then hang on, I don't even want to show.
That's an unfortunate
Hang
name
on, wait a second.
for high school.
Hang
He
on.
used to send me birthday cards, and boy, she got
Oh, there's me. How geeky is that?
Stop moving it. Wow. You know who you look like?
Who?
John Krasinski
Who's that?
from The Office. Bevan Pan.
A little bit, yeah, a little bit.
Anyway, yeah.
What's going on there?
Yeah, anyway. Yeah. Dale Hamill was always good looking.
Yeah, we
Yeah, the heartbreaker.
We still see him once in a while.
Yeah.
We visit with Robin and Trevor.
Look at this guy.
seen them back
You
then.
look like a sociopath or a
yeah.
serial killer.
Hey, I was a geek. Capital G.
Oh, he's so fun.
That's when I started smoking dope. It was all downhill from there.
Well, thank you. Thank God you've stopped.
Yes. Anyway. Okay, yeah, I'm supposed to be cleaning this show up.
Hey, can we load this in my truck? This here?
Do you know what that is?
That's the 572, yeah.
R.
Truck restored.
Oh, is it?
It's an R. That's 720 horse.
Yeah, that's like
That's
30
33
grand or something?
Yeah, that's 33,000 list right now.
He's got
There's only one. This is for sale.
Oh,
Because
yeah.
we bought it to build a drag car and,
Oh, yeah,
and then we
yeah.
didn't, so it's been sitting here for 3 years wrapped in
Yeah,
plastic.
yeah.
But there's only 2 in North America. This
really?
one and there's
Oh, yeah.
one in New York.
Oh, yeah.
Because now they build a 632.
Yeah, and they got that. Everything's got less.
1,000 horse.
Yeah, yeah.
Right? This one's only 720.
Oh, that's it. Yeah, yeah, yeah.
Oh, get
Yeah.
closer.
No, so I don't know what we're gonna do with it. Connor wants me to put it in a car and I don't want to.
But like you'd have to really do a lot of to make that work. You'd have to rear end transmission.
Oh yeah,
it'd be,
oh, yeah.
It'd be a big bill.
This one is 520 horse.
Oh, under there,
That's
oh,
a,
yeah.
that's a 454, but
Oh, yeah.
that's what's gonna go in here probably.
So this is all aluminum then, eh? This one? Or is it just
No.
the head's aluminum? That's it?
Yep.
Oh yeah.
Just the heads. Cast iron, oh yeah, but thick 4 bolt.
Yeah, yeah,
Oh,
yeah, yeah.
I mean, that's dyno, so I mean, with a few tweaks, you can get 900.
Oh yeah, sure.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Those couples, yeah, we
But it's not streetable, you have to run 115 race gas at
Oh,
1200 a barrel.
Oh yeah.
So I mean, it doesn't really make much sense.
Is that because of the compression?
Yes,
And that's because of the R?
yes, like it's race, it's like, there's no warranty.
Gotta
on
be
those.
12 to 1 or something high
Yeah,
compression,
yeah,
something
yeah,
high
yeah.
like that. Yeah.
Yes,
Yeah.
so,
we
yeah,
did.
foolish.
We better.
Okay, pleasure seeing you guys. Anyway, maybe we'll see you at the 50th.
Next year.
Yeah.
Okay, you guys, you
Yeah.
take care. Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you. Take care, guys.
See, I'm finally living the dream.